Hey, JR here. Again, just wanted to give you a leadership hint of the day. What we're doing out here is teaching you horse techniques and horse training techniques, and then having you guys use this in your leadership of humans. Let me tell you a little bit about just the demeanor of horses. Horses, they really want to be in unity with whoever is around them. The horses that are around them, or the humans that put themselves in the horse's world. It's the herd mentality, right? Horses are part of a herd. They want to be in unity with the herd. They're very giving to that. Now, as I've looked at it with humans, as we're training humans to work with horses, humans have a lot of yuck in their minds. And the yuck, I'll tell you about what the yuck is. One of the things of yuck is agendas. So when a person comes in and they say, hey, I want to be able to get a 17-second barrel run by Tuesday, or I want to be able to do a full controlled gallop by, next Wednesday. These are all things that a horse, they just don't understand. They don't understand that date. They don't understand that urgency or that energy, that anxiety energy that's in the leader. And so they end up it kind of doesn't work as well if a person has a bunch of agendas that way. They just want to be with you. The next thing that a human has that's a yuck thing that's in their mind is they have this deal of pride. And the pride is let me tell you about what that looks like in the horse world. They want to look good when they come out with horses, right? Like they want to be faster than everybody else. They want to make sure that they don't trip or fall, or that every move is performed perfectly, right? And this is another thing that a horse just doesn't really understand. They don't understand pride like this. They just want to be in unity with the person. So let's use these things now into the human, to the aspect of human leadership. There goes my dogs running through the screen there. But let's use this for the leadership of humans now. Here's my goal for you this week, or here's my challenge for you this week, is find an employee, just one employee that's in part of your team, and just go spend time with him or her. Don't have any agendas. Don't have any pride of trying to look good or whatever, but just spend time with them. And the time deal can look in a lot of different ways, right? You can just work side by side with them, make phone calls with them, find out a little bit about their work, or find out about what's doing well with their work, or have them teach you how to do one of their tasks, or whatever. You know better than I do of what your employees are doing, but spend some time with them. Let me talk to you about this guy here specifically. This is Rio Bravo. And Rio Bravo, he's kind of low in the pecking order of the herd. That's how horses in the herd works in the pecking order. But he's low, but he does a huge amount of work around here. And he is one that really needs time with the master. I notice every time that I just spend time with him, be with him, give him some love, talk to him, look him into the eyes, just walk around with him, join up with him. It pays off in spades every time I do. He's much happier to go to work and be in unity with everything. So there's the leadership hint of the week, and thanks for watching. Now, as I say these things, though, I don't mean to forget about agendas completely and to forget about pride completely, right? I just my challenge to you is just for a moment, just put those things to the side for a little bit and just spend some time with your follower this week. Thanks again for watching. We're doing some leadership workshops out here, half day and full day leadership workshops. Hope to have you come out and enjoy some horse riding, some cowboy poetry. You can come out to our place and do the workshops, or I can come to your place of work and do the workshops, or we're doing virtual events also. We'll leave you some details here at the end of the video with all that. But what our goal is with this is to show you some horse training exercises and how those things can help kind of open your mind to some different ways to lead people and some better ways to lead people. Hope you enjoy. Sadly, Rio probably wouldn't be going with me to your place of work though, or whatever. So sorry, Rio, you don't get to go with us. Thanks, guys.